The F-18 Super Hornet was born from the need for a new generation of fighters capable of doing what the legendary F-14 Tomcat couldn't: fly farther, carry more, and cost less. In this video, we'll uncover how this evolution turned a carrier icon into a modern, unstoppable combat machine. Stay with us until the end, as we'll reveal technical insights, curiosities, and the secrets behind the aircraft that redefined naval air power. The Super Hornet was built for agility, lethality, and reliability. Its GE F-414 engines generate nearly 45,000 pounds of thrust, allowing short takeoffs and sharp maneuvers even when fully armed. Unlike the F-14, it can fight, strike, and return without extra support. Fuel use is optimized. Digital control fine-tunes power instantly, and afterburners push it past Mach 1.8. A perfect balance of strength and carrier-borne efficiency. Wider and longer than the original Hornet, the Super Hornet packs more fuel, modern avionics, and aerodynamics designed to cut drag. Its rectangular intakes and reshaped wings add low-speed stability, crucial for carrier landings. The modular fuselage simplifies at-sea maintenance, while its panoramic canopy gives pilots unmatched visibility, the eyes of a sky predator. With 11 hardpoints and a 20mm Vulcan cannon, the Super Hornet carries nearly 9 tons of weapons. It can deploy air-to-air, laser-guided, anti-ship, and anti-radar missiles, plus recon and refueling pods. Its AESA radar and ECM suite make it a digital fortress, able to track and strike multiple targets before the enemy even knows it's there. The family evolved in blocks: the single-seat FA-18E, the twin-seat FA-18F, and the EA-18G Growler for electronic warfare. The Block 3 upgrade added digital cockpits, IRST sensors, and conformal tanks for extra range and stealth. Each version redefines versatility, replacing aircraft like the Prowler and Intruder with one multi-mission powerhouse. Today, the Super Hornet serves the US and Australia. The RRF uses it as a replacement for the F-111, while the US Navy keeps it as the backbone of its carriers. Kuwait and Germany have explored purchases, and it competes in Canada and Finland. Its combat reliability and lower cost than the F-35 make it the favored warrior of modern seas. The Super Hornet is the Swiss Army knife of naval aviation. It performs air defense, ground attack, recon and close support without changing setup. It can refuel other jets, suppress enemy radars, and operate day or night in any weather. From missile hunter to bomber escort, it's the link that unites versatility, precision, and aerial supremacy. From the Tomcat's legacy to the dominance of modern skies, the Super Hornet proved that true power lies in constant evolution. If you enjoyed this video, fuel the channel with a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next flight, where technology and history meet at full speed.